In this video you will learn how to create a new project in Wondershare Filmora. So let's get started. Open Wondershare Filmora. Click on Full Feature Mode. It's the interface of Wondershare Filmora. You can import any media file such as video or audio or picture file in the media panel. We will import a picture in the media panel. Click on Import Media File here to add files in your project. Select Picture File and click Open. Your picture has been imported into a media panel. Now we will import an audio music file into a media panel. Click on Import Media here and select your music file and click on Open. Now you can see the music has been added in media panel. Now we will add music into timeline. Right-click on music file and click on Add to Project. As you can see, the music file is added in the timeline. Click here on the Player's Play button to play the music. To add picture in the timeline, right-click on the picture and click on Add to Project. Your picture is added in the timeline. You can stretch your picture to keep playing for a long time. Now we will add a video file in the project. Click on Import. Click on Import Media File. Select the video file and click on Open. Select the video file and play it in the player to check the video.
Hold me close till I get up.
You can also click this plus button to add your file into the timeline. Hold and drag the file to adjust the place you want to put it. We will adjust picture after the video and we will keep the music on the same place of our picture to play the music with the picture. Now play the project. As you can see, when the video finished, the music plays with the picture. Keep subscribing to learn more.